I think that our sister, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, is doing a worthy thing. So I want to engage in a conversation with her. If she sees this talk and reaches out to me via Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, I'll be happy. Since about 3 weeks now, I've been seeing videos by this lady. I did not know anything about her or know her prior to seeing her talks on video. And I'm impressed. It's refreshing to see an Igbo woman not saying things that should only be said inside the bedroom, but rather addressing the ills of our collapsed society. It is very refreshing to see this. When the social media began to monetize, I was worried because I knew that our people will drop their farms, drop their businesses, and everybody will become content creators. And everybody will also become a professional historian. What is left of our battered image will be distorted because our people will jump at that opportunity to make money from Facebook. And some will engage with social media and leave things on social media that their children and grandchildren will be ashamed of. So it was so refreshing to see this woman asking us tough questions, the kind of questions I've asked the people for over 20 years. And I decided to wade in, possibly have a talk with her and help to shape her so that she can even do better. I've seen some weaknesses in some of the positions she has taken, and I have seen enormous potential too. I will talk about the potential first. This woman is not an academic. Is not a scholar from what I have seen. She may be, but she has not addressed herself as an academic. So I assume that she is not one. She has seen the obvious, very likely because she came from a good home, a home rooted in culture. She has observed that omenala is in the Bible and that what the churches are teaching the Igbos are not in the Bible. This should be obvious to every serious Igbo. Well born, anyway, those that are well born, those that are from good homes. She has said this is the potential. Because the more the Igbo people delay returning to what I have chosen to call authentic Israelite biblical omenala, the more they expose their neck, their collective neck, to the sword. The Igbo people have to live by the principles and tenets of the Hebrew Bible, which are very clear in omenala. Omenala is what explains to you what the Hebrew Bible is saying you should do. For example, Lolo Nneka must have done Omugo herself. Omugo is what the Hebrew woman, if you like, the Igbo woman, if you like, the Israelite woman, if you like, the Jewish woman of the Ashkenazi Sephardim Mizrahi, Beta Israel, Samaritan karate backgrounds do after they have delivered a baby. The Yoruba don't do this. The Fulani don't do this. The English don't do this. The Bible requires it, but it is Omena that tells you how to do it. The woman will go into seclusion for many weeks, and the most delicious food will be served to her. She will not engage in regular activities because she is in a state similar to the state that the woman that was having her menstrual flow is in. So, Lolo Chimezie, for you to know that Omenala is in the Bible, you are not having one, you are having two. Thumbs up. But I have also seen some weaknesses. Our people did not get into Christianity. You thought our people rushed into Christianity because you are not a historian. Ezenri was threatened with bombardment if he did not disown Omenala. Things fall apart again. The Igbo people amanyere ha amanye ndị Igbo amanye ọ bụrụ na ọ na-abaghị onwere onye n'ime ụnụ ga-afọ jekwa gụọ akwụkwọ afọ Igbo enwere law apasịrị no matter ife missionary mere onye Igbo na onye Igbo ahụ mee film ife ọ fụrụ owolu onka wee bọọlụ gosi wee dị weak. If you reach out to me, I will help. Because what you are doing is indispensable. And of course, you will earn your reward. You cannot do a good work and God will not repay you. God will go there to her.